Y'all, they look so good. Why do I want to get teary-eyed? Ugh, I hate when I get like that.
South Carolina, South Carolina, South Carolina, in South Carolina, South Carolina, South Carolina.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another business video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing some new inventory. In this box right here I got some custom bonnets and do-rags, and I'm really excited for this because this is my first time being able to be somewhat creative with my bonnets and do-rags. StylusBday.com is having a huge spooky season sale. Spooky season is my favorite season of the year. I'm gonna put the flyer right here, and it ends on Halloween. I'll probably end up extending it, but things are extremely discounted because I'm trying to let go of a lot of inventory so I can just focus on new things and the things that are selling. Okay, so we're just having a transparent moment right now. Now, my bonnets and do-rags are also on sale. They are 50% off. The reason why they are on sale is because they will not be restocking on my site anymore. Once they're gone, that's it. I'm going a different route with my bonnets and do-rags. I am over the designer styles. At this point, I feel like everybody and their mama is selling them. The damn hair store is selling them. So I need to do something different. I don't like selling stuff that the hair store got, because if you can get it locally, why buy it online? That's how I feel. I know some people rather buy stuff online than going to the store, especially around this time because of the whole pandemic and stuff. But I just kind of feel like if I can get to the store in 5 minutes, I can just, you know, go there, get it without having to pay for shipping. That's just my mentality, and that's how I feel like a lot of people think. So I had went to the hair store recently to buy me some individual lashes, because this particular hair store, they open real early. And when I showed the clip, if you're familiar with this hair store, then you already know, but I ain't gonna say their name. I just recently had braids in my hair, so I was looking for little hair accessories. And the hair accessories is right next to the bonnets, do-rags, wave caps, all that kind of stuff, right? So I happened to like walk past and they're selling Chanel bonnets. I was like, yeah, it's time to do something different. All right, so let's go ahead and get on to the new bonnets and do-rags. Let me see, if I prop this up on my knee, y'all be able to see. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so we got the box open without cutting anything, so that's good. And I'm so excited, y'all, because I got a glimpse of how it looks. Ah! Now, mind you, my vendor sent me pictures before she shipped them to me to see if I was okay with them. So I kind of already have an idea of how they look, but seeing them in person is making my heart beat really fast because my vision came true. Okay, so I believe these are the do-rags. Yes. And the bonnets are underneath. And I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on before I open them. Oh, this is my last pair of gloves. So let's go ahead and open up the do-rag so we can see what's going on. They look so good. Yes, quality. Because I was really nervous about that. Like, I didn't know how the design was going to turn out, but oh, this looks really good, y'all. The print is perfect. The satin is just perfect. Oh my goodness. So this is the do-rag. Y'all see that hunting camel? Yes. Is my light too bright? Let's turn off one of these lights real fast. I turned off one of my lights so y'all can really see the do-rag. Yes. Now we're going to move on to the bonnet. Now, the bonnets are my favorite. Let me tell y'all why. Because I was able to be real creative with my bonnets. When I sent the design to my vendor, she asked if she could do black satin inside and can she do a black band around the bonnet. So at first I was kind of like, I don't know about that black band. Okay, y'all know how I feel about that black or white band around the bonnet. I like for the band to have the design as well. I feel like you get your money's worth, right? So after a while I kind of sat back and I was like, you know what, if she does the band black, I might can add my logo around the band. So I already got a little glimpse of these two, and I can tell that they came out so freaking good. Yes. Oh my gosh, y'all, my logo around the band is so cute. Look at my bonnets. Oh my gosh, in the black satin. Okay, let's get close. So this is how the back of the bonnet looks. It has the hunting camel as well. Then we got my logo around the band, black satin on the inside. Now I'm gonna try the bonnet on so y'all can see how it looks. I would try the do-rag on, but I'm not good at tying do-rags, y'all. I'm not. So here's the bonnet. It looks a little funny because y'all know I got my hair in a puff, but this is how it looks. Y'all see the back, the band with my logo around it. Yes, I love this. Y'all better head over to my site and go get you one of these and go get you a do-rag. It's okay if you don't wear one. Get one for your man so I can go to sleep matching, okay? Y'all let me know what y'all think about the new bonnet style. Y'all feeling it? Y'all not feeling it? Y'all know I'm feeling it. I wear hunting camel all the time. Country girl, gotta represent for the country. Let me take these gloves off because I need to say something real quick. So this is something that I have never seen no one else do. I done looked around. I ain't seen no hunting camel bonnet or do-rag. So I believe that it is safe to say that you saw it here first. So if anybody comes up with this idea after this, they got the idea from me. Today is Monday, October 18th. I will not be launching them today on my site simply because I'm waiting on edge brushes and wave brushes. So the first 12 people to order a incognito bonnet, that's what I'm calling it, you will get a free edge brush. And the first 6 people to order a incognito do-rag will get a free wave brush. And you'll also get a free travel size product, whether it's a shampoo, conditioner, or hair mask. It looks like we're looking for this Friday, the 22nd. That's in 4 days. So definitely be on the look for my new bonnets and do-rags. Okay, I'm really excited. So that's the end of the video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Can we please get to 10K by my birthday? My birthday is December 18th, and that would be my best birthday gift ever. If I could reach 10K before or on the day of my birthday, that would be perfect, okay? All right, y'all. See you on the next video. Bye.